Amazon Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition. Essentials Bundle Review. Color meets calm reading. Ever open your phone to read and somehow end up scrolling instead? You wanted a chapter, not notifications. It feels small, but it adds up. One night, I tried reading before bed and checked email 3 times without meaning to. That quiet frustration is real. You miss the calm. What if reading felt focused again? The deeper issue isn't just distraction, it's fatigue. Bright screens, constant alerts, and limited space for your growing library quietly drain the joy from reading. A friend told me she stopped bringing books on trips because her tablet battery never lasted. That's frustrating. You want color, comfort, and simplicity in one place. There is a better way. That's where the Amazon Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition Essentials Bundle transforms the experience. Don't just buy any e-reader bundle. Make sure it includes a 7-inch Colorsoft display with an auto-adjusting front light so you never deal with harsh glare and constant brightness adjustments again. The 300 ppi black and white text stays razor sharp, while 150 ppi color brings covers, comics, and highlights to life in a soft, paper-like way. It's not tablet bright. It's intentionally easy on the eyes. One evening, I highlighted a favorite quote in blue and another in pink, and organizing notes suddenly felt creative instead of clinical. On a sunny afternoon at the park, the glare-free screen stayed readable without squinting. Small detail, big difference. With 32 gigabyte storage, you can carry thousands of titles from the Kindle Store's 13 million options. The Essentials Bundle adds a premium walnut leather cover that develops a natural patina, plus a wireless charging dock for cable-free power. Bonus insight, the Signature Edition's auto brightness subtly adapts, so you stop thinking about settings and simply keep reading. Here's what daily use actually feels like. You wake up, lift the Amazon Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition Essentials Bundle from the wireless charging dock, and it's ready. No cables, no low battery warning. A reviewer mentioned the paper-like display feels like a break from traditional screens, and after a week of use, that description makes sense. The colors are muted, almost watercolor-like, which keeps the focus on text rather than overwhelming it. One comic reader shared that panel view finally made graphic novels enjoyable without constant zooming. Another user admitted she was skeptical about color clarity, but ended up loving how natural it looked. That hesitation is common. And fair. The IPX8 waterproof rating means poolside or bath reading isn't stressful. The 8-week battery life, based on typical reading conditions, means you might forget where your charging cable is. Imagine that. With no social media apps or notifications, the distraction-free design becomes the real luxury. Have you noticed how rare uninterrupted focus feels now? Between the adaptive lighting, wireless charging dock, and leather cover protection, the bundle quietly removes friction from your reading routine. That's where the value lives. If reading matters to you, the Amazon Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition Essentials Bundle feels like a thoughtful upgrade rather than a flashy one. Demand for color e-readers keeps growing, and bundles like this tend to move quickly when readers discover the convenience. It's a complete setup in one box. Thousands already describe it as their favorite Kindle experience so far. I've linked it below so you can explore the full details and see if it fits your reading rhythm.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.